concert. I look crusty, dusty, musty. First of all, we gotta do our skincare routine because my skin is feeling dry. Then we're gonna do our hair, and I'm gonna record filming my like get ready with me makeup of how I'm gonna look, and then I'm gonna show y'all the outfit. I am super excited. Yeah, I guess enough of me blobbering, and let's get ready, besties. Hi besties, I'm about to put some eye patches on while I do my hair. These are from Lanbella, and I actually got these when we went to New York City for that TikTok shop event. If you don't know, I have a vlog video up on my TikTok, so definitely check that out. But I've been obsessed with these because they're apparently infused with vitamin C, and they're supposed to boost in they're supposed to have 4 times boost radiance and antioxidants, which whatever that does. But yeah, vitamin C, and they just brighten my under eyes because I get really bad like under eye bags. You know, I look like I don't sleep. So these are wonderful. I love them so much. BabyMetal concerts tonight. I'm so excited. I'm currently about to start getting ready. I need to put my hair extensions in, even though these don't really match my hair. So I might have to go grab the ones that are like ombre at the end, so it's like they're red, but then the bottoms are like orange. I don't know. Unless this might be kind of fine. I feel like it'll be fine. I'll put a little bow in the back, and I think it'll just work itself out, right? Maybe. If it looks bad, I guess we have to redo it. Oh, and I'm also gonna be curling my hair too. I'm putting this cute bow in the back, so that way it's like nice and kawaii, but also like metal. You know what I mean? Please, I need to stop being so cringe. I'm gonna start with brushing my hair because I have not brushed it since last night. And I'm also gonna use this like hair dry mask. Well, actually, no, I don't think I will because I used it last night and I don't want to make my hair too greasy, if that makes sense. I hope they play Give Me Chocolate. Of course they will. Well, hope. We'll see. Let me show you my new favorite dry shampoo. So apparently the aerosol cans are out, and this is the new It Girl. And this also comes with a refill because it was like a holiday set that came with it. But all you have to do is just open this up. And this is also good for traveling. You can throw this into your purse or like your bag or whatever. But you can section your hair, and then all you do is just dab this in. And then you can either brush it out or just like use your fingers to kind of like run your hair through it. And this, I used this like 3 days ago, and my hair is still pretty good. I do want to kind of like refresh it so it's nice and clean for the concert, but this right here, I'm gonna link it down below. It's from I Do Care, and I think this is infused with rice powder too. Alright, so what I usually do is just separate my hair and then braid the bottom. I broke my nail, so my hair keeps getting like stuck in the back of it. Ugh, so annoying. But what I usually do is separate my hair like maybe like this much, and then we're gonna braid the rest and clip it in the back. Okay, so we're gonna braid these, and I'm gonna braid this as well because I hate these like little like flyaways. Alright, so I clipped everything in the back, and I'm gonna put these extensions. Also, the hair extensions that I'm using are from Irresistible Me. They were a platinum, I believe 22-inch extensions, but I did cut them and dye them, so they look slightly different now. I do need to get new ones. If Irresistible Me hair extensions are watching this video, feel free to reach out to me. Maybe we can do another collab on these. Alright, for some reason, I cannot find my black bow, and I only have my white one, or like this dark chocolate brown. So I think I'm gonna go with the dark chocolate brown, since give me chocolate, right? Like, is that giving the vibes? I don't know, but I am still so annoyed. I have so much stuff in my office slash laundry room slash closet, and I just cannot find anything. So I don't know what I did with that black bow. Oh, actually, no. Now that I'm thinking, I think it might be with one of my wigs. Guys, I think I just realized where I have it. I'll be right back. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. I still cannot find it, so I think I'm just gonna take a loss on it. And also, I was so annoyed. My whole shelf came crashing down on me earlier when I was trying to look for the bow. It's gonna be a long, long day, guys. This looks good, right? Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks. She's cute. Now, let's do our makeup. I'm gonna go in with this primer right here from One Size Beauty. Brows, I use Marilia Scott Arch Nemesis Brow Gel. And if you love to use like hair glue or hairspray on your eyebrows and you don't want them to budge, this right here is for you. I'm gonna link all the products that I'm using down below, but just watch. Look at her slaying. Now we will do the other brow. And you also want to make sure you mix this in, because it is oil and water-based formula, so you want to make sure that is mixed and make sure the spatula is clean. Mine's really not, but let's not worry about that. They look pretty good, right? Slay. I think for the eyeshadow, I want to do something like with the eyeliner, maybe something a little smoky, and then I'll do a red lip. Kimchi Chic the Most concealer in the shade Ivory, I believe. Shadow palette, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmos palette, and this is how she looks. I'm absolutely obsessed with this palette. I made so many different videos using this on TikTok. If you guys want to go check out my TikTok, I have so many different ones using this. I'm gonna go in with a shade called Space Dust. This ABH palette and use this white shade right here. Right here to kind of just brighten everything out. You guys see that difference? For the eyeliner, we're going to go in with the NYX Epic Ink liner. For the waterline, I'm going to add this Tarte white eyeliner. Do y'all see the difference? For my foundation, I'm going to go in with this Kimchi Chic, what is this called? I need to get better at this. So this is Kimchi Chic, a really good foundation. Look at this coverage of this foundation. This is insane. Concealer, we're going to go in with the Kimchi Chic the Most concealer, the same one that I used as a base for my eyeshadow. And you guys are going to see the difference. I'm going to put a little bit here, tiny bit here. For the contour, I'm going to go in with this Milk Makeup Sculpt Stick in the shade Toasted. And this is the only bronzer that does not make me look orange. Makeup Jelly Blush Tint. You can use this on your cheeks or on your lips. My brush on this thing and just go onto my skin. See, I'm already hitting pan. I love this highlight so much. Put some right. Oh, are you kidding me? This looks so good. The Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass setting powder in the shade Translucent, and this stuff literally sets my makeup in so well. It won't go anywhere if you're sweating or working like in a hot environment. Like, just look at the difference. Are you kidding me? And it also like blurs your skin too. I'm gonna go in with this Glam Light Betty Boop lip combo. I swear this is the most perfect red shade. Besties, so this is my makeup and hair. Now I just have to go get dressed. My hair is so pretty. I'm obsessed. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Besties, this is my hair and makeup. I put this cute bow in the back. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in the different mirror because you can't see my boots and stuff. But let me do a little close-up of my makeup. She's cute. This is the outfit. I'm so obsessed with my dress. Let me show you the boots. Show off your outfit, baby. Oh, well, you don't have shoes on yet, but you got a little shirt. What is that? Tank top? What is this? The brand?
Oh, Pair of Thieves.
Pair of Thieves, and then some random shirt from Kohl's, right? And then pants.
No idea what brand those are.
Damn, well, that's all. You're the same height as me in these. Come here. You fit.
So you think?
See? Cute.
Perfect.
Love it. See you at the concert. Alright, we made it to the venue. I'll see you guys inside. Stopping at Burger King and Taco Bell. I got some Taco Bell and we're just waiting for a chicken sandwich. You have to pee really bad. I have to pee really bad. This is gonna be fun. Let's go. Girls that we met in the bathroom, well, I met in the bathroom. You guys are so sweet. I love you. Let's go. Sponsored itself, so I feel like that's a good experience, right?
Pretty cool.
We love it. Maybe this is where we're gonna end the vlog. I love you. All right, we'll see you guys at home. Bye.